Rios, our cruise organizer for the Mini at Sea. And why should people attend the Mini at Sea 2025?
Oh, you don't want to miss it. There are a couple of reasons. First of all, we're going to Alaska. That has got to be on everybody's bucket list. Come cruise Alaska with us and see all the beautiful sights, but then get to know all the Christmas people that attend conferences all around and learn about all the great things and how they do things for Christmas lighting, which I know nothing about. But contact me and I can get you set up to go on this cruise with them.
We hope you can make it to Alaska next year in 2025.
And why should people come to the Mini at Sea 2025?
Oh, you just communicate with the whole Christmas community.
And why should people attend the Mini at Sea 2025 headed to Alaska?
Ooh, I really want to go on an Alaskan cruise, number one.
Also to spend time with everyone.